Good morning, children. Today's video is all about your workbook, chapter number 20, Had Faith, Had Climbed. This chapter deals with the past perfect tense. I repeat, this chapter deals with the past perfect tense. First of all, let us know what is past perfect tense.
The past perfect tense denotes an action that was completed at a specific time in the past before another action began.
I repeat, the past perfect tense denotes an action that was completed at a specific time in the past before another action began.
For example, they had repaired the car when the rain started. Here, repair is the first action, and then raining is the second action. And had repaired is the past perfect tense of the verb repair, which is had plus past participle form of the verb, which means the past participle form of the verb repair. We generally get three forms of verb: first form, second form, and third form. The first form is the present tense, that we generally called the V1 or first form of verb. The second form is the past tense, which we call the V2, the second form of verb, and the last is the third form, which we call the past participle form or V3 of the verb. The past participle has a great importance in past perfect tense, which means we will use the past participle form of the verbs in past perfect tense. Now children, let's see the structure of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3, that is the past participle form of the verb, plus other words, plus a connector. It may be before, because, after, when, anything. It has to be a connector. Plus another subject plus V2, that is the simple past tense of that verb, plus other words. Always remember that we use past perfect tense for that action that happened before another action. We use past perfect tense for an action that happened before another action. And we use simple past tense for that another action that happened later on. Some more examples for the past perfect tense are: Ram had finished his work before Ravi arrived in office. Ram had finished his work before Ravi arrived in office. Now let's match the example with the structure. Here, Ram is the first subject, had finished is the had plus V3 form of finish, his work is other words, before is used as a connector, Ravi is another subject, arrived is the V2 form of arrive, means the simple first form of arrive, and in office is here the other words. I repeat, Ram is the subject, had finishes the had plus V3 form of finish, means the past participle, his work is other words, before is the connector here, Ravi is the another subject, arrived is the V2 form of the verb arrive, and in office is the other words. Hence, we can see here the sentence matches with the structure that we used. Another example is: they had eaten too many biscuits by the time dinner was served. They had eaten too many biscuits by the time dinner was served. Here you can see, children, had eaten denotes the past perfect tense, which is had, and the V3 form of eat, and served here denotes the simple past tense, which means they had already eaten the biscuits before they ate the dinner, or they had already eaten the biscuits before the dinner was served to them. That's all for today's video, children. Thank you.